Hi guys and welcome to another video. So I'm gonna start a new series on this channel. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna talk about Spacy, which is a deep learning, actually is a natural language processing framework or library. It supports deep learning, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna talk about why this is such an important module or library, and it's actually one of the most successful natural language processing libraries out there. If you guys check out the GitHub repositories, you guys can see that it has about 10,000 stars, which is it's a very hard number. So I'm gonna talk about the basics of this library and the starting videos. Okay, so it uses deep learning to make the natural language processing. That's why it's so good. Okay, so you guys can come to the website, which is spacy.io, which has a lot of information you guys want to see. It's the fastest in the world, so it's the fastest library for parsing, for tokenization, so it's pretty good. It supports deep learning integration, which is pretty cool. Okay, if you want to build something which uses deep learning. So you guys can see the usability is very straightforward. Okay, so that's good. It supports 8 languages: English, German, French, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys need to install this. So this video is just an introduction. Okay, we're gonna talk more about along the way. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.